For this project, I have taken here two colors of yarn. One is yellow color and the other one is ash from Himalaya Super Soft Yarn brand. The number hook size they recommend is 5 mm. This is number 4 medium size yarn, and it has 200 gram, 328 meters, and this is 100% acrylic. For this they recommended 5 mm hook size, so here I have 5 mm hook size, and the yarn needle to sew the excess yarn inside, or you can use a hook to hide the yarns, excess yarns, and a pair of scissors. So let's start the project. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We made here 12 chains. I'm going to make a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the very first chain and pull this yarn through this. We made a slip stitch. Now insert the hook like this into this. We'll make one single crochet, chain 1, 2. So this we will consider as a double crochet. Yarn over into this, insert the hook and pull up the yarn, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up the yarn, again the third time, the fourth time. So 4 times I made. If your yarn is thin, you can make it 2 or 3 more times again, and then yarn over, pull this yarn through this, and then insert the hook into this. 3 loops we got, we'll close together. Chain 1, 2, yarn over, again insert the hook into this, make a puff stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, hold this one like this, and then I'm going to close here. So we got 3 loops, close this, chain 1, 2, yarn over into this, 1, 2, 3, 4, close this, 3 loop, close completely, chain 2. So here we made 3 puff stitches, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make 5 more stitches, so total we will get 8 puff stitches, same like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 puff stitches. Now I made 2 chains. Let's insert the hook into this center. This is the center of the first puff stitch. Here, let's insert the hook and make the slip stitch. So this is our round 1. For the second row, let's insert the hook into the space and we'll make a slip stitch. Adjust the height, yarn over. We'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, again 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 more half double crochet. So we made here 4 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, again chain 1, yarn over into the next space, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, the second half double crochet, chain 1, the third half double crochet, chain 1, the fourth half double crochet, chain 1. Let's go to the next space. Here 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 more half double crochet, chain 1, again into the same 1 half double crochet, chain 1. We'll go to the next space. So like this we are going to make into each space 4 half double crochet. In between we will have a chain. So 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1. We'll go to the next space. Let's continue till the end of this row. Into the last, we'll make 1 chain, and then I'm going to do the slip stitch into the very first half double crochet. So we have finished here round 1 and 2. For the next round, let's make 1, 2, 3 chain, yarn over. Into the next space we'll make 1 half double crochet, and then chain 1, yarn over. Into the next space we'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1. Into the next space we'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1. Into the next space 1 half double crochet, chain 1. Into the next space 1 half double crochet, chain 1. Into the next space 1 half double crochet. So we are going to continue into each space 1 half double crochet with chain 1. So here we have reached at the end of this 1 chain. Let's make, and then going to insert the hook into the 3rd chain. We'll make a slip stitch. So here we have finished 1, 2, 3 row, and then again for the 4th round let's make 1, 2, 3 chain, and then yarn over. Into the next space we'll make 1 double crochet, yarn over. Into the next space here we'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Into the next 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Into the next 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So same like this we are going to continue into each space 2 double crochets. We don't want to add any chains, only the double crochets. So here we finished our 4th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th row completely. We got here 34 pairs of double crochet stitches into each space, 2 double crochet. When we count each pair it comes 34 or 32. So you have to be conscious about this, because whenever you finish this double crochet stitches, make sure that it has multiples of 2. The pairs should be multiples of 2. And here there is a difference, and for this placement I used number 3 size yarn, so we got the smaller size. Here we are using number 4 size yarn, so we are getting the bigger size. Now let's make the slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and then we will close this. For the next round, here let's take these 2 pairs first. Okay, insert the hook into this like this, and then make a single crochet, chain 1, 2, yarn over. In between these 2, because we are using these 2 double crochets, the pair, first pair. Okay, so we are going to insert the hook into this 1 double crochet, and I'm going to take the second color. So take the ash color, here it is. Let's make a slip knot, and then insert the hook into this. We'll pull this yarn over. This is our next pair, so insert the hook into this like front post double crochet we'll make. Use the things, yarn over. We are going to use these 2 double crochets, so make a front post double crochet, and then yarn over. In between these 2 we'll make 1 double crochet, and then take this yarn, make a slip knot, pull this ash color down, yarn over, keep this ash color like this. We'll skip this double crochet. We are going to take this pairs, so make front post double crochet, And then don't forget to keep this yarn like this. We have to carry this yarn throughout this round. Insert the hook into this, 1 double crochet. Again, take the ash color, make like this, yarn over. Now hold the yellow color, skip this one. We are going to take this pair. So insert the hook into this, 1 double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet. Now change the color. Here we'll make 1 double crochet into this, 1 double crochet. Again, into the next pair we are going to make 1 double crochet, and here 1 double crochet. This is how we are going to continue till the end of this row. Very easy it is. Just make a slip knot, choose the next pair, make 1 front post double crochet, and then normal double crochet. Take this ash color, and then we are going to make into this 1 double crochet, and then inside 1 more double crochet. Again, take this one into the next pair, 1 double crochet, and then 1 normal double crochet. Again, take this into this, 1 front post double crochet, 1 normal double crochet. So let's continue the same pattern till the end of this row. So here we finished this row. Let's take the yellow color, because we started with the yellow color and we are going to do the slip stitch with the yellow color. And then keep the ash color like this. We'll insert the hook into the first double crochet, make a slip stitch, and then keep the ash color like this itself. We are going to make into the very first, insert the hook like this, and then make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 2. This is a front post double crochet, yarn over. Inside the space we are going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and then we'll take the second color, it's here, tighten this, yarn over. This is our ash color. Here insert into the very first, make 1 double crochet, and then in between this 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Take the second one, and then we are going to repeat the same pattern. Here front post double crochet, and then inside 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So we are going to repeat the same pattern till the end of this row. So now we have reached at the end of this row. Let's make the slip stitch into the third stitch. Here we'll make a slip stitch, and then same like the previous round, we are going to make into this like a front post single crochet, chain 2, yarn over. After this, if it is like showing little, if it is showing like a shrinking, then you can add, you can repeat the same row, like 1 front post double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then again 1 front post double crochet, 2 double crochet. So I feel like little it is going to shrink, so I'm going to repeat the same row here. Once we finish, then we will do 3 double crochet stitches, front post, and 3 double crochet stitches. So let's continue the same pattern. Yarn over, into this space we'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the previous row we did the same, so I'm going to repeat the same pattern in this row as well. And then here yarn over, into this 1 front post double crochet, and then in between this 2 double crochets, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So let's continue the same pattern till the end of this row, and then I'll show you how to increase the 3 double crochets. So let's continue the same pattern till the end of this row, and then we will continue with the increase. So here I have finished the round. I'm just going to make the slip stitch same like the previous round, like this, and then we are going to make into this one front post single crochet, chain 2, and I'll mark the stitch so that we can understand when we are going to close the row. And then yarn over into this space we are going to make. Now if you see, you can understand that it is coming in a perfect shape like this. Now we are going to make yarn over into the space, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and I'm going to add one more, 4 double crochet, and then take the second color into this a front post double crochet, and then into this 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have reached at the end of this row. Let's take the yellow color, and I'm going to make the slip stitch here to join, and then into the very first double crochet we'll make 1 single crochet, front post, chain 2. I'm just going to mark the stitch, and then again here in this previous round we made 3 double crochets. If you want, you can make 2 double crochets. If you want, you can make 3 or 4. I'm just going to make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So here altogether we got 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change the color here, 1 double crochet, inside 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, change the color, 1 double crochet, and then inside 3 double crochet. So same like this we are going to repeat the same pattern till the end of this row. Once we finish, we will increase the stitches. Like now we did 3, again for the next row we will make 4, and then 5, like this it will go on. Here I completed almost 30 rows, so we got the very nice shape for the placement. If you need the biggest one, you can make like this, or if you need the small one, you can stop with the few rows like 3 or 4. It is all depends on you how many rows if you want, or how much bigger size if you want, all based on your needs. So let me continue with this pattern for this round and the one more round, and then I'll show you how to finish this project. So here I have finished 2 rounds of the same pattern, and this is how the pattern looks. I stopped here and I'm going to make 1 chain just to snip off this yarn. Here is the excess yarn. Let's make 1 knot here. So this is how the pattern comes. I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can mention it in the comment section, or you can send a message through Instagram. So we'll see you on another video with a new pattern. Thanks for watching.